let me show you how to create these sort of objects. So what you need is go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, and search for Add. And what we want to do is we want to add Mesh Bolt Factory and add Mesh Extra Objects. Then when you press Shift A, you will get bolts and these gears. And you will also get pipe joints and etc. But I will focus on gears and bolts. Just add a bolt. It will spawn in very big, but in here you can choose between different bolts like this, and you can also change between different nuts like that. And also with the gears, and in the gear you can screw it, deform, and also make different changes to the gear. And one thing I would show you is that now the gear is like hollow like this. So we just have to press Alt, then left click, and then Shift Alt, left click. So we have this circle selected and also this circle selected. Then we just have to press Ctrl E and bridge edge loop. And that will get filled in. Then we can right click and shade out the smooth. I hope you like this video. And if you do, give it a like. And also don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.